Good morning children. How are you all? This is morning session. Today we are going to learn science. The topic is lesson number 4, science in everyday life. Children, already we have learned what is science. Yes, correct. Science is the study of the natural world around us. We learn science by observing, experimenting and describing. Science influences most aspects of everyday life, including food, energy, medicine, transportation and leisure activities. Then we learned kitchen science. What is kitchen science? What is boiling? Heating a liquid until it becomes gas is called boiling. Boiling the water means to heat the water until it becomes gas and mixes with the air. Benefits of boiling water we learnt already. Destroy germs, improves digestion, prevents us from the infection of waterborne diseases. Children, today we are going to learn cooking idli. What is a method? We are going to learn. Now, idli is a common and usual breakfast of Tamil Nadu. So, idli is the common breakfast. Idli and dosa. Okay. Then, what process is involved in the preparation of idli batter? Idli batter means idli maavu. Okay. Then, what type of cooking process is involved in making idli? Let us see now. Children, take page number 104. Now we are going to learn what is the ingredients used for making idli. We need 4 ingredients used for making idli. Let us see the ingredients. The first one is rice, boiled rice. Second one is black gram or white gram. Third one is fenugreek. Fenugreek means vendayam. Then fourth one is salt. These are all important to make idli. These are all things. Okay. Idli batter produced from above things is fermented for 8 hours before use. Idli is cooked by the method called steaming. Cooked by the method is called steaming. Idli is prepared using idli cooker. Idli is prepared by using idli cooker. How to making idli? Here given 4 points to make idli. Soaking rice and black gram in water. Second one is grinding. Third method is allowing it to ferment. Fourth is steaming in idli cooker. Let's see advantages of steaming. Easy cooking method. Idli preparation is very easy method to prepare. Then steaming, food is easily digested. It is easily digestive food. So, easily digested. Sikrama sarikum. Then, steamed food retains vitamin C and E. Food contains vitamin C and E. Then let's see idiyappam. IDIYAPPAM idiyappam. We cook idiyappam by steaming. It is also same method. Idli also steaming and cook idiyappam by steaming. Then idiyappam is prepared from rice. When we are making idiyappam, we should use only rice. Then children, take page number 105. Here see varieties of idli. Let's see the varieties of idli now. In order to attract the children, and customers, caterers make varieties of idli by mixing the batter with grated beetroot or grated carrot and serve them as beetroot idli or carrot idli. Children, we heard many varieties of idli and many varieties of dosa, like a ghee roast, a ghee dosa, ghee idli, modakattan dosa, rava idli, like that. Okay, so here given two idlis, varieties of idlis. He is given beetroot idli and also carrot idli. It's red in color beetroot idli and orange in color carrot idli. We know the difference. Let us think. The doctor advises patients to have idli or idiyappam. Can you guess why? Yes, because it is oil-free food. Idli is oil-free food. It is nutritious and contains less fats. It contains less fats. Okay. Then it has no side effects. When we are eating idli, there is no side effects. So he advises patients to have idli or idiyappam at feverish time. Okay. Then let's see. Children, do the activities now. Take page number 105. Tick the items which you see in your kitchen. Given 8 pictures are here. Rice, turmeric, pepper, black pepper, laptop, tap, glass of water, then vegetables, toys, red chilli. Can you see in the kitchen? In your kitchen? Yes, rice. We'll see in our kitchen. Then turmeric, pepper, yes. Turmeric, pepper, laptop, no, we cannot see. Okay, then glass of water, can we see in our kitchen? Yes, we can see. It is must to cook. Okay, so then vegetables, yes, we can see. Then toys, we cannot see in our kitchen room. Okay, then red chilli, we need red chilli also for our kitchen work, kitchen things. Okay, when we are making food, we need rice, turmeric, pepper, glass of water, vegetables and chilli. Then let us see food items which are made by steaming. Here given idiyappam, adarasam, boiled egg, kodukattai, puri, boiled rice, idli and puttu. Steaming food. These are all steaming food. Let us see now. Idiyappam, steaming food. Adarasam, no, it is not steaming food. It is fried items. Okay, oil fried items. Then this one, boiled food items. Kodukattai is steaming. So these are all steaming food. These steaming food. Here puri, it is oil food. It is oil fried one. Here boiled rice, this is boiling items. So this is steaming food. When we are making idli, it will be steam. So steaming food, puttu also steaming. So steaming food is idiyappam, kodukattai, idli and puttu. Okay, then let us see page number 106. Children, arrange the picture in correct order. In previous page we learnt the first one is soaking rice and black gram in water. Black gram or white gram in water. So second is grinding. This is the second one. We should make 2. So this is the grinding work is going on. So grinding. Third one, allowing it to fermentation. It will be happen. Ferment. Then fourth one is steaming. Fifth one is ready to eat. Then let's see home appliances pressure cooker. We are going to learn about pressure cooker now. How would our life be without the following? An electrical bulb. An electrical bulb, it will be dark. Without electrical bulb, we cannot sleep. Without electrical bulb, it will be dark. Okay. Then a fan. Example, they are given fan.